Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed faculty, proud parents, and most importantly, dear graduates, it is an honor to stand before you today on this momentous occasion. Graduation is not just a celebration of your academic achievements, but also a recognition of your growth, resilience, and readiness to embark on new journeys. Today, I want to talk to you about a topic that is both timeless and timely, understanding the challenges of unity and diversity and how to achieve greater unity. Unity and diversity is a phrase we often hear, but what does it truly mean? It means recognizing and valuing the rich tapestry of differences that make up our world, differences in culture, language, beliefs, and experiences. It means understanding that our diversity is not a barrier, but a strength that can bring us together in ways that uniformity never could. However, achieving unity and diversity is not without its challenges. Cultural differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. Communication barriers can hinder collaboration. Prejudices and stereotypes can create divisions. These challenges are real, but they are not insurmountable. So, how do we overcome these challenges and achieve greater unity? Promoting inclusivity. Inclusivity is the cornerstone of unity. It means creating environments where everyone feels valued and respected. It means actively listening to different perspectives and ensuring that all voices are heard. As you step into the world, strive to be inclusive in your actions and attitudes. Encouraging dialogue, open and respectful dialogue is essential for bridging gaps. Engage in conversations about differences and commonalities. Seek to understand before being understood. Dialogue fosters mutual respect and understanding, which are crucial for unity. Building shared goals. Unity is strengthened when we work towards common goals. Whether in your personal life, your community, or your workplace, identify shared objectives and collaborate to achieve them. Emphasize what unites you rather than what divides you. Education and awareness. Educate yourself and others about the benefits of diversity. Challenge prejudices and stereotypes by raising awareness and promoting understanding. Knowledge is a powerful tool for breaking down barriers and building bridges. Leadership and role models. Be a leader who exemplifies inclusive behavior. Advocate for diversity and unity in your spheres of influence. Remember, your actions can inspire others to follow suit. Let me share with you a couple of examples that illustrate the power of unity and diversity. Singapore is a shining example of a multicultural society where diverse communities live in harmony. Through bilingual education, integrated public housing, and the celebration of cultural festivals, Singapore has fostered a sense of unity among its diverse population. Rwanda's journey of reconciliation after the 1994 genocide is another powerful example. Through community-based justice systems, national unity commissions, and inclusive economic policies, Rwanda has made significant strides in rebuilding and uniting the nation. These examples show that unity and diversity is not just an ideal, but a practical reality that can be achieved through deliberate and sustained efforts. As you graduate today, you are stepping into a world that is more interconnected and diverse than ever before. Embrace this diversity. See it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and make a positive impact. Remember, unity is not about erasing differences, but about celebrating them and finding strength in our shared humanity. Congratulations, graduates. May you go forth with the wisdom to understand the challenges of unity and diversity and the courage to achieve greater unity in all that you do. Thank you.